smash that all. Look at that. That looks amazing. And just roll it around. Yeah. Beautiful. Mmm. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, I threw the fork in the thing. Dang it. All right. I don't know what it looked like. All right, here we go. We're gonna make a Asian cucumber type deal. I just washed these. I wonder if they can hear the music. I like to have music on while I'm cooking. Makes me relaxed. I know you're supposed to do this chopstick deal, but I don't know. I just don't. To me, it seems overkill. But we're gonna chop this up. Put it in one of these nifty little bowls. These you can get at the store pretty cheap. They're pretty good. Just don't heat up food in it because it's plastic. I mean, you do what you want, but if you heat it up too long, it melts and it probably goes in your food, so that's probably a bad thing. I assume. I'm no medical person. To make this easier, get yourself a bench scraper. This is where it's at. Because then you can just do like this. I'm gonna just real. First thing. All right, you got that in there. Sprinkle some sea salt. Get some moisture out. Let that sit for a little bit. Now we're gonna make this sauce. I already have this put together. Tablespoon of soy sauce. Tablespoon rice vinegar. Oh, supposed to do some garlic cloves, right there, and chili sauce. I like this stuff. You can usually find it at Publix BOGO if you have a Publix. Really, this MOGO is really budgeting from rock. I want. I thought they happened, but I get credit. Easily. Alright. You know, fit. Sweet. First thing. Garlic. Always hate it. Your guts ever. Well, you like you eat. Why not? So this is about. Easy. Gravity's working right there. I didn't drop anything. I'm testing gravity. You know, I don't want to float away. water came out. What I like to do is mix these two together. Throw the garlic in there. Actually, I'll put garlic in here. And a scoop of this. And then I'm probably a psycho because I like stuff really hot. Oh yeah, look at that. Yeah, just mash that all. Look at that. That looks amazing.